Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. As you guys can see on the car, we do have some new parts, which is super exciting. Been waiting actually a couple weeks now for these parts to arrive, obviously for the blue car. So pretty much as you guys can see by today's video, we'll pretty much be unboxing these parts. Hopefully everything is good to go. Let's go ahead and unbox everything. Guys, before we do get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you guys want to see, and got a lot of more videos coming soon for you guys. Let's go ahead and unbox everything that we got from the dealer and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we actually are going to start off with the first part here, which is the front bumper crash bar. The car's right behind the front bumper, so you guys can see this thing is pretty much brand new. But so this pretty much just goes right on like that. There it is, gives it like a nice, looks cool because they're both matte with the bumper. Compared to this side, this is how it looked before. It's kind of hard to see with the darker lighting here, but let's go ahead and show you guys the other one. Here is the next one. This one's obviously for the driver's side, so you guys can see. I love the little texture. Not sure if the camera will be able to pick that up. Kind of like a flat surface here. Just have like some little texture on it on this side, kind of towards the lower portion. Looks super cool. Looks like the bumper is more complete now. Way cheaper than obviously buying them online, so you guys can see. Here are just the OEM side markers. Alright guys, there you guys can see right here that she looks way more complete, adding that little piece on the bumper, the trim, so you guys can see better on this side with better lighting. So you guys can see there's the trim piece and the side marker. I love that trim piece, how that looks. Gives the car a nice touch to it. There it is next to the gray one. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm unboxing is this. I believe it is the under panel for the plastic tray. Cool. There you guys have it. You guys can see here is the bottom panel. Not sure why there's some foam pieces, but I guess that's what the OEM one comes with. Super satisfying having a brand new under tray, no scrapes or no damages at all. So this one is the one that goes on the very bottom, and obviously there's this one that goes on top of it. So let me just go ahead and unbox this for you guys. This was also brand new from the dealer. Honestly, I don't even remember how much I paid for this, but here it is. We have some clips here, very small clips. I won't open those in this video because we actually don't need those yet, but I will open, because I'm almost dropping it, this piece right here. Which is, some of you guys may guess, I already did open it before, but check this out. Ooh, there is the Toyota badge, brand new. Super cool. Got it from the dealer, so it's always satisfying just looking at it brand new with no scratches or anything. And obviously that will sit just like this. There you guys have it. That's how she will look. Car looks super close to finish now, just off the exterior look. Obviously we got the side markers, we got the little grill piece there, and the badge now just makes it look much more aggressive. If you guys didn't see the last video, we actually did get the hood repaired, so super cool. We actually did install that and everything. And then obviously what we are waiting for is We do have, you guys remember in the last video, we have the little piece that connects to the bumper. We got that color match, so that is the reason why it's not on the car. And then the last piece we're waiting for is that little corner piece that connects to the grill. And then as well, if you guys are familiar with these cars, there is a little foam piece that goes over the crash bar. We have not received that yet, but we are still waiting for that. And obviously I'm not going to be installing the badge yet until the car comes back from paint, because pretty much there'll be no point of wasting the brand new 3M on that if they're just gonna remove it as soon as it goes in for paint. So we're just gonna hold on that after, and then whenever the car comes back from paint, we will put that badge on first thing. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we have this last box here. Maybe some of you guys are wondering, what is this box? Why are you showing us just an empty box? And if you guys remember, this is probably the most expensive part that we did buy on this car. So it took like 2 weeks to get here. It was a special order, so they actually had to custom make this, assuming to the VIN number, but did open it obviously a little bit to make sure. So this was an electrical part. And if you guys do recall, maybe last video or a couple videos ago, we actually got the news that our airbag module wasn't able to get reset. So as you guys can see here, I had to go ahead and purchase a brand new airbag module. So you guys can see everything is brand new on this. Super satisfying opening a brand new airbag module, but I'm excited to get this installed on the GR. So I actually disconnected the washer fluid tube assembly thing just so the crash bar can enter more direct on this side. Crash bar looks right on. So once you get those two hooks, pretty much 4 bolts on each side, and it's good to go. So let's go ahead and install those bolts and install this little horn thing, and we'll go from there. Crash bar finally installed, got everything tightened up, as well as the little horn right here, I believe it is. So everything's now tightened up. Now bumper pretty much could just go on.